Hey guys, Lily Lavender
and Glow Monkey
and Micah.
And today we're about to make
slime.
Slime. He has been waiting for a long time to make slime. So I haven't opened the box yet, so I don't even know what it comes with, but it looks like this. And let me open this thing. You look mad work. That's because we're right here. If we actually go to it, it doesn't.
Didn't you use a knife?
Okay.
Where did you get it from?
Walmart. It was like $10. Let's see what's in here.
That's kind of shit.
Let's see.
Wow.
Okay, I see. It comes with some directions. It is slime from Nickelodeon. And with this box out of the way. We're a Disney Channel. We just throw stuff on the floor. Oh, it comes with two little cut thingies.
Here, you could, I could do that.
Okay, so directions for making slime. We need some clear glue, which is right here. We need to pour it. It says use the supplied measuring cup and pour it into the bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much glue as possible. Measure 25 milliliters of water at room temperature and pour it in the same bowl as the glue. What's a good thing we're like super close to the sink? How do you measure? Doesn't come with any measuring stuff.
I think those little cups are the measuring cups.
Glitter. And this is the glue, the slime activator. Clear glue. This slime glue? Well, they're both glue, so I don't get it. Why do I have two? They're both glue. Same thing. Okay, so you can do one. I'm gonna assist Micah.
Okay.
Really let him do it. So glue, add a spoonful of color in the bowl. I guess what you use to mix it up. Here you go.
Thank you for my seat.
There you go. Oh, this measuring cup right here. Okay, so it says measure 15 milliliters of glue. 15 milliliters. Okay, Micah, you see the measurement right here? Where's 15? Right here. So you're going to stop the glue up to right there, okay? Here you go. Pour it until it gets, I'll hold it up. Pour it until it gets to 15.
There it goes. 15.
That is 15. And then go ahead and pour it in. You're going to pour that in.
Look. Wee.
Make sure you get all of it out.
He's acting like he's on a ride.
Get all of it out. All of it. So after that, we're gonna get some room temperature water, which we have our sink right here, so it's very convenient. You make sure you scrape all that out, because you still have a lot left. I'll take it. Okay, so now we gotta put about 25 milliliters of water. So that's like basically like the whole thing. It's like almost like the whole thing. There's just bubbles at the top. Look, this is stuck to my arm.
There's a spoon in there, Lily.
Oh.
You could have scraped with that spoon.
Okay, so let me get you some water. Some bubbles.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Water in there.
So we did that, and then it says make it shine. Add 1 spoonful of colorant to the bowl with glue and water using the supplied spoon.
What
color would you like to use?
Purple.
Purple? You're doing that for me. I know you're gonna say blue for you. He's doing it for me. You can use blue. So we're just gonna get like a spoonful of colorant to kind of make it shine. Here you go, Micah. Mix it up. Does it say mix it? No, it don't say mix it. It just said add a spoonful. So we're just gonna add a spoonful.
Oh,
So we just add the spoonful. We're doing a video, by the way.
okay. I got a text message saying I'm kind of hungry.
So we're gonna rinse the spoon so that Gloria could go ahead and get her color.
Okay, so what I'm about to do is I'm gonna make green.
You make green
First,
How you gonna make
but
green?
she washed it already. I
Yeah.
can just wash it again.
How are you gonna make green though? I don't. That's gold.
Oh, I thought this was yellow. This is yellow.
That's gold.
Oh,
Gold. It's shiny.
Oh, they have gold. Okay, I'm gonna make gold then. Shoot, shining, 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 shining. Yeah. Really? So they said 1.
Yeah, just
Just
scoop it. You don't mix it. You just dump it in there.
Okay.
Probably. See if you can dip the spoon in there so that more of the color could go. Yeah, I think that's good. All right. So I'm gonna leave that right here. So now next is you're gonna stir the mixture of glue, water, and colorant with the slime stick until it is completely blended. So go ahead and blend it, Micah, until it's like completely blue. And then we have to put 5 milliliters of the activator, the slime activator, in it to activate the slime. Now we're gonna get the slime activator. Activate slime! Okay, so how many you said? 5 milliliters? Let's look for 5 milliliters. Right there.
Oh, that's way at the bottom.
So it's
Well,
here,
a
you're
little
just
bit.
gonna squeeze it a little bit. Because you're gonna stop it right there. Right at that line.
I wonder if the activator has the same thing like
People-
shaving gel has. Because that's how you make it like your DIY slime.
Alright, it's good.
You use shaving gel,
Perfect.
like borax.
Okay, so after we add the slime activator, it says slowly pour it in the bowl while you're stirring. So I'm gonna pour it while you stir. Go ahead and start stirring. I'm gonna pour this as you stir. While I pour it, you gotta stir
Are you excited?
until it gets. It says that it's gonna start getting stretchy and sticky and stuff.